And this is our final lesson on systems of equations. So we want to find the intersection of the line y equals negative 3x and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a substitution. I'm going to substitute this in for my y, just like I did with every other system. So x squared plus negative 3x squared equals 3. Well, negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9. And then x squared is x times x, so x squared equals 3. Well, x squared plus 9x squared is 10. X squared equals 3. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 10. So I get 3/10. And then I'm going to square root the top and the bottom, but I want the plus or minus square root. Well, there's my exact answer, and I could use that, or I could make a decimal approximation. So I'm going to make a decimal approximation. And then I'm going to plug this back in to either equation. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to put it back into this one. So my y equals negative 3 times my x, which was plus or minus, so I need both of them. So if I plug in the positive one, I get positive. If I plug in the negative one, so then I get a negative times a negative. This second answer becomes 3 times 3 square roots of 10. That's the exact answer, and I could make it into a decimal if I wanted. So negative 1.64 or positive 1.64. Remember, those are approximations. Those aren't the exact answer. If I really wanted my exact 2 points, I could put in positive square root of 3 over 10 and then negative 3 square root of 3 over 10. That would be my 1 point with the positive one. Or my other point would be the negative ones. So negative square root of 3 over 10, and then if I plugged in the negative one, remember I ended up getting a positive 3 square root of 3 over 10. Again, this is the exact answer. I'll accept both the decimal approximations or the exact answers, but this one is technically more correct.